Upgrade your efficiency with the My Account customer portal on Reveal from Verizon Connect. When you log in, you'll find My Account under your initials. It has everything you need to manage your account, including the ability to streamline your payments. You can access an overview of your charges and balances, set up or edit payment methods, pay your bill, or enable autopay. Need to see your billing history? Reveal lets you effortlessly access and download invoices and more. And when your fleet's on the grow, requesting new equipment is a snap. Now, sometimes you might need a little help. That's where accessing live chat comes in. You can get the direct support you need to stay on the road. And if you want to see the status of your support cases, the customer portal lets you do that too. It's all here: finances, support, equipment, and more. Everything you need to manage your fleet at your fingertips, all from Reveal from Verizon Connect, helping you drive a safer tomorrow.